Welcome back everyone to yet another video. In this video we'll see how text to image works in Adobe Firefly. So this is a feature where we give prompts to the image generator and it will generate images for us. I'm gonna go and click on generate and it will go over here. We are excited that you are using Adobe Firefly. Okay, next. Okay, next and done. So here now we are inside text to image generator, as you can see over here, and there are a lot of prompts already available. Mountains with fog and small white flowers graphics. So here you can see what other people are creating with Adobe Firefly. So you can always go and change this stuff, exact same thing, or you can go and create your own prompt over here. So let's say I want to use one of these. Okay, so try this prompt. Now when I click on try this prompt, it will give me the same exact prompt that was available for this, but instead of butterfly, let's go with something else. So it was colorful butterfly on the sidewalk of busy street, lots of legs walking past, nice macro photography, etc, etc. So I'm gonna go and change it from butterfly to something else. You can go with anything you want. So we will go, let's go with colorful. What? So what are you thinking about? Let's say a glass bottle or a bottle of water on the sidewalk of busy street. So let's just click on generate and it will create similar results, but instead of the butterfly it will give us a bottle of water. Okay, so you can always go and just as I did, it was a same prompt, but I just changed a couple of stuff and then I made it on my own. Now this is my prompt. So let's wait a couple of seconds until it processes. So you can see we have the image over here and it is looking quite promising and really great. I can just click on an image and it will enlarge, so I can see each of the images, and I think this one is cool, this one is cool, but I think this one is resembling the actual size of a bottle and it's looking really great. You can just click on download to download this, and here you can see that these images are not for commercial purposes, so you cannot sell these images, etc, etc. So just click on continue and it will apply content credentials, etc, etc, and it will download the image for you. So if you open this image, you can see at the lower left corner that it is written Adobe Firefly beta image not for commercial use. So this image is not for commercial use, but you can download this. So this is the one way that you can go and copy the exact same prompt, and then you can use that prompt to generate images. So I'm going to go and I'm going to give my own prompt, and let's see what Adobe Firefly gives us on that prompt. Let's create maybe a car, and in cyberpunk style car. So it's really simple, cyberpunk style future supercar. So I want a future supercar in style of cyberpunk. I'm going to click generate and it will generate images for me. So here you can see we have a square image, we also have landscape, portrait and widescreen. We can choose any of these, but right now we are going with the square one, so it will generate 4 square images. So here you can also tweak with other stuff like photo, graphics, or you want art, you want digital art, etc, etc. You can also change the color and tone. If I click over here, you can go with muted colors, warm tone, cool tone, vibrant, etc, etc. You can go with lighting and give it like studio lighting, dramatic lighting, whatever you want, because it has a lot of changes. I'm going to go with composition, and you can go close-up shot, wide angle shot, narrow depth of field, etc, etc. So if you are familiar with all of these, you can go and create a perfect shot just for yourself. So you can choose some styles, choose some materials. So you can go over here and like movement, technique, effects, materials. You can choose all of this stuff, and here you can choose the aspect ratio. So it's up to you, whichever you want to create. But there is one thing to note: if you create one by one square images, it will be of lesser quality and a lower size. But instead of that, if you create landscape images, the final image that you download will be a lot more detailed and have of more resolution. Okay, so if you want lesser resolution, go with square size. If you want more resolution, maybe go with landscape. And if you want to crop it later, you can go and crop it and make it a square. So here you can see it has created a futuristic car for us, and I really like this one. Just click on download and it will be downloaded. So don't show this again, we know that, man. And then click on continue to download this file. It is really simple to use, and of course it is in beta, so you can use it for free without having an Adobe account or without having an Adobe subscription. So try text to image on Adobe Firefly and let me know what you think. Let's go and let's continue the course with the next video.